Alright, the musculoskeletal system. Okay, palpate along the clavicle or ang collarbone, of course. Note for any lumps or tenderness. Inspect ang spine, palpate the spine, ang lumbosacral, lumbar, and sacral region. And perform Barlow test and ortolani test. Ano ini? Ma-check kita sang hip dislocation sang baby. Ang Barlow test, are. Sorry, sa dalam sang infant, no, i-flex mo and adduct duga pasulod na bla ng TL. Tapos, adduct the hips by bringing thighs towards the midline while applying light pressure on the knee and direct the force posteriorly. So, positive test for my head dislocates posteriorly from the acetabulum. Dislocation is palpable as head slips out of acetabulum. No. And ortolanis, hips are examined one at a time. Flex hips and knees to 90 degrees. Thigh is gently abducted. Wait lang, may ari ko di, ano ba mo? Kung paano? Are. Paano mag-perform? Are ba? Nan. Perfect. And sa muna.
Nampak
Tak
tak?
rasa apa.
You tak rasa apa-apa. Alright.
Nanduga mo na siya mag-check sang Barlow and Ortolani sang hip displacement or hip dysplasia sa infant. Next is ay, okay, next. Nervous system, mental status, motor function, and tone, sensory function. Okay, mental status infants should appear alert when awake, regard faces, and attend to their parents' voices, of course. Assess the motor tone of infants first by carefully watching their position at rest and adjusting their resistance to passive movement. Okay, the sensory function test for pain sensation by flicking the infant's palm or so with your finger. Observe for withdrawal, arousal, and change in facial expression, of course. Hindi man nga na guys, flicking lang do pitik lang gamay na pitik-pitik lang gamay, no? Tapos kung gina-withdraw nila, meaning intact ang sensory function niya. Okay, sa cranial nerves, cranial nerves, 1 hasta 12. Okay, examination of the baby's cranial nerve function is often accomplished by observing spontaneous activity during crying. Guys, tanan ni siya guys, ma-fill in ang blanks ngini sa lain-lain mga activity. So kung sa baby na, for example, gahibi o kung gahibi ang facial movement, i-check nyo. Sorry, mag-facial movement. Anong igo? Cranial nerve number 7, okay. Observe for fullness or asymmetry lang taon mo na daan kung tupong ang tatsura ya. Okay, ang quality or strength ng yahibi. Okay, anong may go si cranial number 9 and 10. Sa sucking and swallowing, okay, assess cranial nerves 5, 7, 9, 10. So, ara na da, guys. Tanan man. Okay, next, the deep tendon reflexes. The deep tendon reflexes are variable in infants because of corticospinal pathways are fully developed. Exaggerated presence of their or their absence has little diagnostic significance. Okay. Babinski, guys. Ano ang Babinski? Ang Babinski reflex na, guys, kita niyo ng baby, di ba? Ang tail na sang baby, ginamuna sang reflex hammer na blang punta, tapos nagamuna, naga-fan. That's called your Babinski reflex. That's called your Babinski reflex. Tsura sang Babinski reflex sa mo niya. Babinski reflex. Duga fan ang TL bla guys. Kabukas na nara siya. So imunan mo siya na tapos duga bukas sa naga fan na neutral normal nga sign. Babinski sign. Babinski reflex. Okay, primitive reflexes about the infant's developing central nervous system by assessing infantile automatisms called primitive reflexes. Palmar grasp, kumutangan mo butangan mo kamot ya, ginagrasp ya lang. Ang plantar grasp, ang tiil yaman, same. Moro reflex, yung kibuto nyo, kita nyo ng mga baby nga, pag kibot nyo, pag muna, duga muna, sila guys. So, that's called moro or startle reflex. Asymmetric tonic neck reflex, positive support reflex, routing reflex. Ang routing reflex mo tanga mo din sa baba nila dampi. Ginasunod nila sang ilang baba sa mga sa bibig na bala butang mo mukamuta mo ginasunod sa ilang baba. That's called routing reflex. Trunk stepping, landaw, parachute. Stepping is butang mo imo kamot sa ilang tiil dugahulag sila ga step sila masking gaigda sila. That's called your stepping reflex. Parachute, ko 'di ba kung i-jam sila duga buka sila muna nga duga parachute. That's called parachute reflex. Okay, sa development, ara na si Denver 2, ginano naton gina. And that's it.